Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change the version of Bible app or to change the version of Bible book which you are reading through Bible app. Now to do so you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video and like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now if you want to change the version of Bible through your Bible app, then you need to make sure that you have installed the Bible app on your device and you are connected to Wi-Fi. So after that you need to simply open Holy Bible or Bible on your device, and this is the home page of Bible app. If you are logged in, you will see this home page. If you have not logged in, you need to simply click on log into your profile icon by clicking at the very top right of the page. So after that you need to click on the option of Bible at the very bottom taskbar, and here you'll see the book which you are reading, or you will see the verse which you are listening. So click on the option of the book at the very top left, and here you'll see the option of traditional and alphabetical. Now if you want to learn the traditional version of book, then click on the option of traditional, and if you want to learn the alphabetical version, then you may click on the option of alphabetical. So click on the book and you may select the various option or the chapter you want to read. So that's it. That's how you can change the version of Bible app or change the version of Bible book which you are reading through Bible app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.